Hello traders, Gary Wagner here at just about 12:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York. It is Thursday, January 30th, 2020, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We did have higher pricing across the board in the precious metals today, but off of the highs. Traders continue to digest the statement made by the Federal Reserve yesterday, along with questions and answers by Jerome Powell during the press conference. The concern as to the virus outbreak in China still remains prevalent and does not seem to be diminishing. Nonetheless, we had the U.S. equities markets trade much lower in the morning and then really come off of those lows to close in solid ground. We'll talk about our trade when we look at our technical studies, but first, let's take a look at pricing. Gold did close higher on the day, currently up $3, $15.7340, but that's well off of today's high at $15.85. Of course, we are trading the outer April month. That's up $2.70 at $15.7870. Platinum gained almost 0.75%, $7.982 and change. Palladium gained over 1.6% on the day today, a gain of almost $37, $22.39. But the big winner in terms of percentage gains today was silver, up almost 2%, a 34-cent gain at $17.82, and that was all with some light tailwinds from a weaker U.S. dollar. Let's take a look at our studies. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart continuous contract, which is representing February futures still. What is most important to me is this primary trend line, the blue dashed line, which starts from the lows and then moves up as we get a series of higher lows. We did break through an area that I have some concern about, but not much. That's 1575. But the key, as far as I'm concerned, is that as long as we remain in a trajectory above this trend line, I'm shooting for at first 1594. If it hits resistance and backs off here, we get out. If it burns through this area, then our target area is going to be between 1610 and 1612. For right now, my recommendation is to maintain your current long position and to maintain your current stop. Lastly, I do want to take a look at silver. We haven't done that in a while. This, of course, is a continuous contract, but it represents the March contract month currently. It broke through what I believe to be a substantial area that was former resistance. That is the 50% retracement that comes in at 1771. And like gold, it did close well off of the intraday highs, but the fact that it managed to close above this particular level at 1771 to me is fairly significant. Support is going to be based on the recent low that came in the other day. That is right here. And resistance has to be at around 1863. That is the 38%, but we also have some resistance that comes in from a series of tops that occur right here as well as here, and that comes in just above $18. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review, our weekend review.